Like if there isn't chocolate in heaven, I ain't going. Yeah, after having these chocolates, they're really good. Yeah, the luxury chocolates.
Okay, that was awesome. If you ask for a bite, you're doing a crime. So, if someone asks you for a bite, how will you punish them? Put them in jail.
To play against Twinkle now.
person to dance for me.
Think that you'll slap the person who's asking you for the chocolate? Wow, that's great.
I would snatch their chocolate off.
I just whack him. Okay, you whack him. Okay, so you love Schmitten, right? Yeah, I love Schmitten. Okay, so the tagline says love to love it. So would you say it with me? Love to love it. Love to love it. Is there any of your friends who has a bad taste in food or at stars or at shopping or anything?
Rajeshwari.
Okay, Rajeshri. No worries. I'll tell you what she can do for you. Okay, so would you like to gift her a Hoppets for changing the bad taste into a good taste? Yes?
Yes, I.
Would you love to have it?
Yes, obviously.
Here's to good taste. You need to say it.
Yes, to good taste.
Yeah. So he has a bad taste at what?
Kerala.
What's bad in him? Shopping, whatever.
He's very lazy. Everything.
Okay, everything. Don't worry. You're gonna get a Hoppets just because it's going to make your taste good and it's going to make it better. For it.
Here's to good taste. Hoppet is here.
Are you happy now?
Yes.
Yes. Hoppets makes you feel better because here's to good taste. Yes.
You've seen the advertisement and everything, right? Okay. So can you tell me who is the brand ambassador of Schmidt? Already before my question. All right, I'm gonna ask you maybe a difficult one. I don't know if you know that or not, but let's do it. So your question is, have you seen the advertisement of Schmidt Chocolates?
Yes, I have seen that one.
Okay. So what is the tagline of Schmidt Chocolates?
It's love to love it.
Oh my God, everyone's been watching this advertisement quite regularly, I guess. So that's the correct answer, and I'll give you one chocolate. Congratulations.
Thank you.
All right, so your tough question, big guy, okay? How many flavors do you have in Schmitten?
Seven?
Oh my God. People have been loving these chocolates already, I guess. That's amazing. Thank you so much. Here's your chocolate. Say Schmitten.
Love to love it.
To love it.
Thank you so much. Who is the brand ambassador of Schmitten chocolates?
Priyanka Chopra.
Oh my God, all fans of Priyanka Chopra here. Notice her already. Okay, so that's right. So you all deserve a chocolate already. Now my next question to you is, have you seen the advertisement? Okay, so my next question to you all, of any of you can answer, that is, what is the tagline of Schmitten Chocolates?
Love to love it.
Love to love you.
Love to love. You sure about that? Yeah, sure. That's correct. Schmitten, love to love it. All right. And my next question is, he looks like the smart guy of all. So I'm going to ask you a difficult question. How many flavors do you have in Schmitten chocolates?
Okay. I think 7.
7 flavors. Where did you notice that? In the ad or on the boards?
It's just a guess.
Just a guess. You guessed that right. So congratulations. You all have won chocolates. Let's move on to the ladies. So how many flavors do you have in Hoppets?
4. I think so. Yeah.
Okay. All right. So 4 flavors, they get that right. All right. And what is the tagline of Hoppets?
Yes, to good taste.
She's right. Here's to good taste. Do you know any of your friends who has a bad taste? It could be in anything. Do you know anyone of your friends, maybe amongst them, who knows, who has a bad taste in anything?
One of my friend, she's just fashion disaster. She don't know what to wear and anything. She wears anything.
So she has a bad taste in fashion. All right. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna give this chocolate to her, okay? And you're gonna tell her, here's to good taste. Change your bad taste to a good taste then, okay?
Yes, to good taste. Change your bad taste into good taste.
Thank you so much. How about you?
One of my friend has bad taste in food.
In food. So you don't like their taste in food, right? So you can do the same, all right? You can give this chocolate to her or him and tell them here's to good taste. Change your bad taste to good taste. Schmitten.
Love to love it.
Hoppets.
Yes, to good taste.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. My first question is, do you know who is the brand ambassador of Schmitten Chocolates?
Priyanka Chopra.
That's amazing. You saw the ad?
Yeah.
That's amazing. Alright, so if you saw the ad carefully, tell me how many flavors do we have in Schmitten chocolates?
7.
Smart girls, they know it already. Alright, you'll just want the chocolates, right? Okay, that's amazing. Alright, now Schmitten Chocolates has a tagline. Schmitten Chocolates has a tagline, okay? Can you tell me the tagline and I'll give the chocolates to you right now?
It's love to love it.
Amazing! Asking for a bite of my Schmitten is a crime.
Yeah.
So, if it's a crime, if one of your friends happens to ask you
I'll
a bite,
punish
punish them by what? What punishment will you give someone?
A belly dance or else kuch to.
A belly dance. That's a cool answer. Here you go. Oh, how about you?
I'll make them. I know. I love dance actually, so I'll make them some kind of dance. Ballet
Dance.
dance.
Ballet dancer. Oh my god, that's cool too. So if a guy asks you for a bite of his Schmitten chocolate, you're gonna make him become like a pony and dance ballet. That's cool. Here's your chocolate.
Thank you.
All right. And how about you? What punishment would you give someone if someone happens to ask you for a bite of your Schmitten chocolate?
I'll tell them to sing or like that.
Sing a song. Anyone can sing a song. That's not a punishment.
Or else.
Sing a song. Maybe sing a song at a bus stop or something.
Yeah, like that.
Oh, that's cool too. You can use that. Thank you so much. Let's move on to the guys now. Okay. Okay. So my first question to you is, how many flavors does Schmitten have? Does Hoppets have?
4.
Have you,
Yeah, it's obvious.
are you cheating? Do you have a cheat? Have some cheats with you? How do you all know the answer?
Arya will love it.
You love it already? That's amazing. Okay, right. So I'm gonna give you that Hoppet. And before giving you that Hoppet, there's gonna be one more question. Hoppets is here's to good taste, correct? So, do you know someone, any of your friends, maybe him or him, who has a bad taste in anything? Maybe in food, clothing, or maybe girlfriends, good bad choice of girlfriends, anything.
Okay.
Do you have?
No.
Nobody?
No.
Okay.
Come on, tell them.
Do you have a bad taste in something?
My bad taste. Yeah.
What you can do if you have a bad taste,
Uh,
go to the mirror and tell yourself here's to good taste and change your bad taste to good taste. Alright, how about you? Do you have someone with a bad taste?
with a bad taste.
Take his name.
Yeah. You may say he has some bad taste because there are some idiotic things in these coupons they were given to us yesterday, but he can eat all of them.
Okay, so what you can do is you can later on maybe buy a Hoppets for him and tell him, dude, here's to good taste.
Come on, do it.
There you go. There you go with the chocolate. Thank you so much. Schmitten,
Love to love it.
Hoppets. Thank you so much. All right, so we have a few. I think I have a lot of people here who've been munching on our Schmitten chocolates since long days, and I guess since morning now. Is that right? Yeah. All right. Okay. I'm gonna ask this group questions about Hoppets. 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 Okay. And I'll ask you all questions about Schmitten. All right. Okay. So let's begin with them first, or you first. You first. All right. So my question to you about Hoppets is you'll have already tasted the chocolates. Okay. So if you all remember when you all went there, how many flavors does Hoppets have?
4.
All right. That's correct. And my second question to you is, if you all have paid attention to Hoppets and the stickers and everything, what is the tagline of Hoppets chocolate? That's amazing. So I think they've got the answers right. And all right, before giving you all these Hoppets, I think you can clap for yourselves. You can clap for them. Before giving you all the chocolates, I'm just going to ask you one cool question kind of a thing. Okay? Let's begin with the lady first. All right. So your name is?
Nivedita.
Nivedita. So Hoppets is generally to change someone's bad taste to good taste. So do you know someone, any one of your friends, maybe here someone, or maybe outside somewhere, who has a bad taste about something and you would like to give this chocolate to them and say, here's to good taste?
Yeah.
Who's that?
Well, that's my friend Pratyusha.
Pratyusha. So she has a bad taste about?
She has a bad taste for, friendship.
Friendship. So she chooses bad friends. Alright, so what you can do is to change that, you can give her this Hoppets and say, Here's to good taste. Change your bad taste to good taste.
Yeah, I will.
You will?
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Let's move on to you.
Yeah, I have a friend of mine. He has a very bad taste about the music.
The music. You can do the same to him. What you?
I have a friend who has a bad taste about cricket teams.
Or cricket teams. So he chooses maybe Bangladesh and Zimbabwe. IPL teams. Okay. All right. Yes. How about you?
I have a friend named Yogesh who have bad taste about Karela, so I'll give him this chocolate.
Bad taste about he likes Karelas.
Don't like Karela, so I'll give him this.
That's a bad taste. Okay. I'm going to give this to him. All right.
I have a friend named Ayush. He has a bad taste about football teams.
Football teams. So you're like kind of rival clubs. Okay. So you can just try to switch him on to your club. Maybe his taste will change from the bad club taste to a good club taste. How about you?
Surbi Sharma.
Surbi Sharma. And do you have someone who has a bad taste about something?
My all friends.
All friends. So you give each one of them a hobbit and say here's to good taste.
Yeah. Sure. Yes, it's a good taste.
All right. How about you?
Vidushi,
Vidushi. She has a bad taste about?
about dancing.
About dancing. All right. How about your friend?
I'll give it to Parurate. Actually, she is angry with me, so I'll give it to her.
Oh, how sweet of you. Here you go. How about you?
Diksha Kaushal for his boyfriend.
Oh, boyfriend. Bad taste of boyfriends. Still, you can give this chocolate to her and say yes to good taste. All right. So now, time for the guy. All right. So, 3 questions to you. Okay? Who is the brand ambassador of Schmidt and Chocolates? That's amazing. All right. Second question. Did you all try the chocolates? Did you all go to the counter and have a look at it? Without looking there, all of you look there. How many flavors does Schmitten have? 7! पहले ही देख लिया मेरी पीठ पीछे ना? All right. That's right. Okay. And my final question to you. If you all have heard the ad correctly, what is the tagline of Schmitten Chocolates? Love to love it. Say love to love it.
Love to love it.
All right. So I think you all have won the chocolates. Now, before giving you all the chocolates, if you all have seen the ad very carefully, Priyanka Chopra says like asking a bite of my Schmitten is a crime. Okay. So what if I will give you this? If you answer if you give me a cool answer, I will give this chocolate to you. Okay. What if someone asks you for a bite of your Schmitten chocolate? What punishment would you give them?
Buy your own one.
Buy your own one. How about you?
Go and have it.
Go and have it. That's all the punishment. Go and have it. How about you?
I'll ask that person to go on date with my friend Jackie, and that's the
Oh my God. So, going on a date with him is the biggest crime. She's saying that on television. You're screwed. Nobody's going out on a date with you now. All right. That's a cool answer. I think that was the coolest answer. How about you?
I will ask him to go in shopping with her.
Go shopping with her. Oh my God. Yes for you. All right. How about you?
I'll take 1,000 rupees from them.
1,000 rupees for a chocolate. इसे तो खुद ही खरीद के खा लेगा यार.
इसलिए मेरी नहीं खाएगा ना वो.
Oh, that's a smart one. Here's you. How about you?
I'll say भाड़ में जा यार, मैं नहीं दे पाऊंगा तेरे को.
नहीं दे पाएगा. दोस्ती पे आ जाएगी तो?
दोस्ती पे आएगी तो भी नहीं दूंगा क्यों?
हाय हाय, Schmitten से इतना प्यार. Thank you so much. How about you?
50 rupee per bite.
50 rupee per bite. महंगा पड़ेगा. Recession पे महंगा पड़ेगा. And how about you?
Go and ask your mother, not me.
माँ से जाके पूछ ले ऐसे. All right. Yes to you. All right. All right. So you all have already tasted the chocolate, right? So when I say Schmitten, you all say love to love it. Okay? And when I say Hobbits, you all say yes to good taste. All of you all want at the same time. Okay? Schmitten.
Love to love it.
Hobbits.
Here's to good taste.
Schmitten.
Love to love it.
Hobbits.
Here's to good taste.
All right. Now I'm going to divide this quiz into 2. I will ask you all questions about Schmitten. So I'm going to ask you all questions about Hobbit. Okay? So let's begin with them first. All right? Okay. My first question to all of you is, who is the brand ambassador of Schmitten Chocolates? She's quite famous, isn't she? My second question, how many flavors do we have in Schmitten Chocolates? 7! All of them know the answers. Have you all been through the... cheating to nahi kar rahe yaar kahin se. Cheat to nahi laye na? Okay, my final question. All right. Now, my last question to you all, and you're going to have the chocolates, okay?
Okay.
What is the tagline of Schmitten Chocolates?
Love to love it.
Love to love it.
Love to love it.
Bingo! You all deserve a Schmitten chocolate. Okay. Now this one funny and one cool thing. Okay. So my final question. I mean, it's not a question. Just a cool thing. When it goes in the advertisement, Priyanka Chopra says that taking a bite of my Schmitten chocolate is a crime. So if someone happens to ask you all a bite for their Schmitten chocolate, from your Schmitten chocolate, what punishment would you give them?
I would. मार दूंगा.
चीर दूंगा, फाड़ दूंगा, मार दूंगा.
I would slap him.
Slap him.
Why would I share my chocolate with anybody?
Buzz off. Buzz off.
Chocolates are not for sharing, no.
Chocolates are not for sharing. Sharing and caring is only taught in the school, but no sharing with chocolates. Okay.
ਮੈਂ ਕਦੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਚਾਕਲੇਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਸ਼ੇਅਰ ਕੀਤੀ ਨਾ ਮੈਂ ਕਦੇ ਆਪਣਾ ਕਦੇ ਹੋਰ ਕੁਝ ਸ਼ੇਅਰ ਕੀਤਾ तो no chocolates nothing.
That's a cool answer, isn't it? How about you?
जादू की झप्पी दूंगा.
जादू की झप्पी. वो तो punishment थोड़ी हुई. Let's hear it for all of them. 1, 2, 3.
Can I take 2?
Just one. You took one? You took one? All right. So I'm gonna just say this one thing. When I say Schmitten, you all say love to love it. Okay? I say Schmitten.
Love to love it.
Thank you so much. Now let's move on to these guys. I'm gonna ask you questions for Hoppits. I have the Hoppits waiting for you already. Look at these. All right. Okay. So two simple questions. How many flavors do you have in Hoppits? 4. Paji ne pehle ball pe chauka. That's correct. All right. Now the next question. What is the tagline of Hoppits?
Here's to good taste.
I think you all have been munching this since morning, I guess.
I guess, yeah. It's
So just one funny and cool thing. What if, do you know someone in your friends list maybe who has a bad taste about something?
I guess Abhinandan.
Has a bad taste of?
I guess girls.
Okay. So what you can do is, all right. So what you can do is, I want you.
His girlfriend is really, really pretty.
I'm sorry then.
Okay, maybe he doesn't like. He's jealous of that. But still, what you can do? I want you to present this chocolate to him, and you just tell him, dude, here's to good taste. Let's change your bad taste to good taste.
This is a good taste. I apologize, and let's change the bad taste to good taste.
All right, that's good. All right, now would you like to say something about bad taste about something?
Yeah.
You can say we said it for you.
Maybe alcohol.
Alcohol. So you can just tell him, dude, stop alcohol and start with this. Just to good taste.
Yeah, here's to good taste and stop taking alcohol. Okay, I will.
All right, how about you?
Well, all of my friends here, they have good
Maybe
taste.
someone else who has a bad taste.
Okay, there I would go for Abhinav, who has a bad taste about clothing.
About clothing. So you can just give this chocolate to him someday. You meet him and tell him, dude, here's to good taste. Change your bad taste to good taste.
Thank you.
How about you?
I'll go for Shishri.
She has a bad taste.
She has a bad taste of for?
Guys. About guys.
About guys. You can give this chocolate to him and say the same thing.
Definitely.
Here's one for you.
Well, I don't think the people I know have any bad taste for anything. I mean, they're my friends after all, so yeah, they all have good taste.
So what you can do, you can show yourself if you have a bad taste in the mirror and say, yes to good taste. Change your taste something about.
Here's to good taste to all those people who are not my friends.
That's nice.
Not a bad taste as such because I gel up with the people who are very good. So
Never mind. Someday you find someone with a bad taste. Someday you find someone with a bad taste.
yeah,
You can give them a Hoppit and say,
I really don't like. I'll surely give it to them. They are really bad taste for me.
all right. How about you?
Myself, I'll give it to myself.
You give it to yourself. You can't share your chocolate. You won't share your chocolates for anything. That's nice. Okay. So when I say Hoppits, you say here's to good taste.
Yeah.
All right. You say Hoppits.
Here's to good taste.
Thank you so much, guys. Let's start with her first. Who is the brand ambassador of Schmitten Chocolates?
My favorite, Priyanka Chopra.
So she's your favorite. What do you like about her?
I love her dressing sense. I love
Her dressing sense.
her acts. I love everything about her.
Okay, so she's been following Priyanka Chopra since a long time. She's a great fan of hers. I can already see that. You've earned the chocolate already. Let's see if your friends can win the same or not. Okay. How many flavors do you have in Schmitten chocolates?
7.
And what is the tagline of Schmitten chocolates?
Love to love it.
She answered it first, so I'll ask you another question then. Thank you so much. That's all right. And let's ask you, there's a product called Hoppits. Know that? How many flavors?
4.
4.
Yeah.
You sure?
Yes.
That's correct again. So, what is the tagline of Hoppits?
Here's to good taste.
Now, congratulations, you've won it. And I'd just like to ask you this one question. Like she says, asking for a bite of my Schmitten is a crime. So what if somebody asks you for a bite of your Schmitten chocolate? What punishment would you give him or her?
I will give him to do 100 push-ups. Really.
100 push-ups. They'll die doing it, but 100 push-ups koi nahi maar payega. Okay, that's nice. And how about you? What punishment would you give them?
I'll tell him to get 100 more chocolates for me.
All right, how about you?
I'll tell him to buy me a Lamborghini.
एक चॉकलेट की बाइट मांगने के लिए Lamborghini?
Yeah.
अरे बाप रे. That's
I love the chocolate, right? I love the chocolates so
you won't share your chocolate for anything.
No one.
How about you?
I will tell him to have a 10 kilometers in 7 minutes. To run a 10 kilometers.
That is not humanly possible. All right, thank you so much, guys. All of you can have your chocolates and Schmitten, Schmitten, and Schmitten. No, Schmitten. You want the Hoppits? Thank you so much. Right, so when I say Schmitten, you say love to love it. Okay? Schmitten.
Love to love it.
And let's see if you remember this. Hoppits.
Here's to good taste.
That's right. Thank you so much. Schmitten. Let's have it. Schmitten.
Love to love it.
Schmitten.
Love to love it.
Schmitten.
Love to love it.
Hobbits.
Yes to good taste.
Hobbit.
Yes to good taste.
Louder. Hobbit.
Yes to good taste.
Schmitten. Love to love it. Hobbits.
Yes to good taste.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.